So participants who do not have the VR device can also enter the HackVerse platform using their laptop. So uh, first they will be greeted with this form where we can enter the personal details. So I'll start with entering mine. So pronouns. So my role. So I am a participant for the hackathon, and my skills are in Unity. So I am a developer. So time zone is IST. It's standard time. I can modify my avatar here, and I can click continue to join the lobby, or basically to find the room which is the lobby space. So here I'm in the lobby space where I can also see the other participants who are exploring the space, the team forming zone. Now since I'll just write my idea in the idea board here. Okay. Hi
Hello,
Vaibhav.
Karthik.
Hi Vaibhav.
Yeah, Karthik, this is a great idea. I think if you want to implement this, you will need a Unity developer and a designer. So I suggest that you use the filter options. Just press tab and see the magic.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
good luck.
Yeah. Thank you Vaibhav. Okay. So I see there are many participants here. Let me use the filter feature to find who all are the Unity developers in VR space. Okay. So as I see one Unity developer there. Two are here. So yeah, maybe I should talk with Lokesh and Saurabh. Hi Lokesh.
Hi Karthik.
So I see you have expertise in Unity. So
Yeah,
I had one idea to build a metaverse where hackathons can be hosted, and I think your expertise can be helpful to build this idea. Would you be interested to join or work on this idea?
sounds interesting, Karthik. Count me in.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
So
no issues.
yeah, hi Saurav.
Hi. Hi, Karthik.
So yes, Lokesh. Maybe we for this idea we'll also need a designer who will be
Yes,
able to design our environments or the UI
obviously.
UX interfaces. So
Yes, Karthik.
yeah. So let us use the filter feature to find the designer for our team.
Designer. Yeah, sure. We'll do that.
Yes. Okay. I see we have one there. Let us are looking at Shreya. Hi Shreya.
Oh, hi, Karthik.
Yeah, I see you have expertise in UI UX design. And so Lokesh and me were just brainstorming on an idea which we would like to share with you. So the idea is we want to build a metaverse where hackathons can be hosted, virtual hackathons can be hosted, and we
Uh-huh.
need a designer. We are looking for a designer who can design the VR environments and interfaces for the same. So would you be interested to join us or contribute on this idea?
That's great. Yeah, I would love to join in. I'm all for this cause.
Yeah,
It's really
Wow.
great idea. Yeah.
I'm so
Wow.
glad you're interested. And yeah,
Yeah, same here.
so yeah, maybe we are a team now. And I'm super excited to
Yay!
join,
Hooray.
super excited to work on the idea.
Woohoo!
Cool.
Cool. We
So
have a team now. Yeah.
yeah, I guess we also have a schedule here, which maybe we can look at what.
Sure.
Sure. Oh, I like the way they have identified members with staff, participants. It's just so easy to find people around.
Exactly, exactly. And you can just point at the person to know more about their roles and what they are basically expertising.
Oh yeah,
Wow,
that's really
that's really
This
amazing.
great.
Man.
yes, this
It
feature
saves a lot of time.
indeed. This feature is very useful. Basically, to form the team quickly, I was able to find the right resources for my team using the filter feature. Or
That's
else,
awesome.
yeah, or else
Glad that we have this option.
yes, or else it will have been very difficult to basically talk with each person and identify the right skill sets.
Right, right. I agree that.
So yeah, this is
All
it.
right.
Uh,
See you guys
Kart-
again.
Karthik, now I'm going to try to enter the podium.
Yes,
See
yes,
what happens.
yes.
So, who all got kicked? Okay.
Can we? Can I join again?
Yeah, join again. Just enter using any name.
Yes. Join in. Oh, we have announcements.
Okay, guys, I would like to make an announcement. So, the team
Uh,
formation time is about to end soon. So, I would request you to please hurry up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.